Hi, Master Sergeant Ryan Thompson. This is the annual Airfield Driving Refresher, and I am the Unit Airfield Driving Program Manager for the CRG. So the annual airfield driving requirements, you need the airfield driving, the CBT, or the mass brief, which will be covered here shortly. The airfield local test, which everybody will have to take individually. The airfield driver refresher brief, which is what this is. And then once all that's complete, we'll sign the back of your 483 or your competency card. So section airfield driving trainers are Charlie Woods for maintenance, Tom Fuchs for security forces, TK for port, and Eric Hagan for ops. So the initial paperwork that must be on file for your entire career is the airfield driving CBT or the mass brief MFR, the local airfield driving test, the color vision test, and then attachments 8 and 9. And all of these are kept in binders in my office. So if you have any questions or need to update anything, just come see me at some point and we'll get that taken care of. Vehicle requirements to drive on the airfield. You have to have the AFVA 11240 and the AFVA 13222, which there'll be pictures of those next. So if you have any questions, we'll talk about that. A current airfield diagram for the airfield that you're operating on, and then any hot or blind spots that are determined locally by the airfield manager. Here's the 11240. I'm sure y'all are familiar with this. It has your airport signs and what you're supposed to do, the gun signals from the control tower, and then any airport markings. And the 13222 is for control movement area procedures. It's how you talk to the tower, report where you're at, off the field, so on and so forth. So both of those will be permanently affixed in plain view of the driver or clipped to the inside of the sun visor. And the way that I usually display them in our vehicles that are operating in the control movement area or on the aprons is I have double-sided Velcro that I'll put on the dash. So these are up all the time so you don't have to shuffle through the vehicle to look for them. Here's an airport diagram of the SDF. And over on this side right here is the Kentucky Air Guard apron. So typically we won't operate off of this apron. This is a controlled movement area out here, and you have to talk to Louisville ground in order to do that. We don't really have a need to go out there. And then zoomed in view of the Kentucky Air Guard ramp. You have your red line, that goes around your ECPs. And then this is the traffic flow in a counterclockwise direction. So, all right, thanks.